Welcome to Glomacht, we're your trusted guide to the industrial world. In the global landscape of industrial manufacturing, making informed decisions about machinery can steer the trajectory of a business. Choosing the right woodworking machine, specifically, is a vital consideration. Today, we're going to analyze two giants in the CNC machinery world, Biesse and Masterwood. Understanding the details can set the scene for the essential choices you make in selecting a used CNC machine. We'll be comparing these two brands, focusing on used woodworking machines and their respective offerings. Our points of comparison will be lifespan, ease of use, quality, durability, maintenance, and residual value, factors that directly affect the efficiency, output, and budget of your operations. Now, let's dive into the history of these brands. Biesse, an Italian-origin world leader known for its innovative solutions, and Masterwood, renowned for its tailor-made designs. Biesse. The roots of Biesse plunge deep into the past, specifically 1969, when Giancarlo Celci successfully built his first edge-banding machine. His company, Biesse, was founded right there in Italy, and its focus, from the beginning, has been on the wood and machinery industry. Over the years, Biesse also branched out into glass, stone, and technological materials processing. Biesse's commitment to research, innovation, and sustainability have consistently driven this company forward while also garnering its significant industry acknowledgement and billions in revenue. Masterwood. On our historical journey, we now turn to an equally important chapter, Masterwood. Founded precisely in 1964, this vanguard company was the brainchild of Franco Fiorin, who invented the first multi-boring machine in Italy. Throughout its history, Masterwood CNC has been at the forefront of spearheading the technology of working wood and its derivatives, conspicuously at the service of the globe's artisans and industries. The company's path of innovation led us to a point where it now offers a range of highly flexible machines capable of meeting the needs of both the small user and bigger industry players, asserting its place as a global potentate in woodworking machinery. In comparing Biesse and Masterwood, it's essential to understand that despite their common Italian origins and similar timelines, they manifest distinct paths in the CNC machinery industry. While Biesse casts a wide net across the wood, glass, stone, and technological materials sector, Masterwood has mastered a distinct niche, becoming a leading light within the woodworking industry specifically. Both brands, however, share an unswerving commitment to innovation, quality, and delivering customer-focused solutions. Lifespan. When we talk about lifespan, both Biesse and Masterwood have built reputations for manufacturing durable machinery. A machine's lifespan, its operational longevity, is paramount for businesses. Extended lifespans mean less frequent replacements, steadier production, and minimized disruptions. On average, both Biesse and Masterwood vaunt impressive lifespans. Maintenance schedules, manufacturing quality, and operational workload contribute significantly to the lifespan of these brands' machines. Biesse lifespan. Biesse's CNC machines have earned a reputation for durability and longevity. The Biesse Rover series, notably, is renowned for its robust construction and the use of high-quality components, ensuring the machines run smoothly for many years. While the exact lifespan of a Biesse machine can greatly depend on factors like the frequency of use, maintenance schedule, and the production environment, an average Biesse CNC machine, when well maintained, can potentially deliver 2 decades of reliable service. Masterwood CNC machines, similarly, are known for their enduring nature, owing much to their meticulous design, precision construction, and choice of dependable components. Since Masterwood specializes exclusively in woodworking, their machines are specifically engineered for long-term performance in this sector. Much like Biesse, a Masterwood CNC machine, given optimal usage conditions and proper maintenance, has the potential to surpass 20 years of use. Both Biesse and Masterwood have concentrated heavily on delivering tools that last. Their machines are robust, well-engineered, and built for endurance. However, we reiterate that the ultimate lifespan of any machine depends largely on how well it is maintained, the conditions in which it is used, as well as how often it is utilized. Ease of use. Next, let's talk about user experience. Both Biesse and Masterwood strive for usability in their designs. Biesse incorporates touchscreen control, simple icons, and easy-to-understand manuals, while Masterwood focuses on software that allows high customization capabilities. Your choice depends on what you prioritize: simplicity or customization. Firstly, let's explore the Biesse CNC machines. Biesse's commitment to innovation and technology is evident in their progressive designs. They employ user-friendly interfaces, designed to simplify complex processes, making the operation more accessible, even for users new to CNC machinery. One feature we appreciate is Biesse's perceptive software. Biesse works. It allows users to intuitively control the machine, setting parameters with precision and speed. Their machines resonate with our core values of knowledge and support their design to ensure operators can leverage the machine's functionalities to the fullest. Moving on to Masterwood. This brand has consistently delivered high-performing, robust CNC machines. Much like Biesse, they highlight ease of use, aiming to make each stage of production seamlessly efficient. The Masterwood's Maestro software provides a user-friendly experience, accordingly simplifying the rather complex programming tasks. They excel in providing an intuitive environment that encapsulates Glomacht's values of support and integrity, enabling operators to optimize the manufacturing process. In summary, both brands have made significant strides in ensuring their CNC machines are user-friendly, leveraging intuitive software to simplify the process. Your choice between Biesse and Masterwood depends on your specific manufacturing needs, and rest assured, either will provide a tool built on knowledge, support, and commitment to advancement. Quality and durability. We turn now to the quality and durability of machinery. Both brands manufacture machines capable of maintaining precision over time. With their robust construction and excellent resistance to wear and tear, both are well suited to challenging manufacturing environments. However, some say that Biesse takes the lead when it comes to resistance against heavy-duty usage. Quality. When examining the quality of a CNC machine, we look at its precision, repeatability, and speed. Biesse machines are noted for their innovative designs, aiming to establish new performance benchmarks. Their electronics and made-in-Italy precision mechanics have set standards in the woodworking industry. On the other hand, Masterwood machines stand out in terms of software quality. They offer advanced and intuitive software that can significantly streamline your workflow, important when efficiency and shorter production cycles are critical. Durability. The ability to withstand the test of time, use, and environmental factors is where we see some key differences between Biesse and Masterwood. Biesse machines host features like power run time reduction aimed at prolonging the life of your machinery. They have an impressive solidity and thickness in their structures, which enhance durability. Whereas, Masterwood showcases their unique, robust build design known to withstand rigorous manufacturing loads and demands. In fact, their machines are often praised for their longevity in the industry. Both Biesse and Masterwood are globally recognized for their CNC machinery. These machines are robust, precise, and dependable, used by industries worldwide. However, like any machinery, the key to their reliable performance lies in systematic maintenance. Starting with Biesse. They offer an extensive maintenance program to ensure the utmost performance from their machinery. Their service schedule includes preventive and predictive maintenance that maximizes productivity and reduces machine downtime. Biesse recommends that regular checks and machine analyses should be conducted to prevent breakdowns and extend the machine's lifespan. Now, let's turn our attention to Masterwood. This brand also places significant emphasis on regular maintenance. Their approach emphasizes corrective maintenance and immediate response to any emerging issues. Their technical support helps clients carry out scheduled services, improving the machine's lifespan and efficiency. Both Biesse and Masterwood share an interest in encouraging their clients to maintain their machines regularly, but their methods differ slightly. Biesse's method leans towards prevention, highlighting the significance of routine checks to avoid potential problems. On the other hand, Masterwood focuses on swift responses to issues, guaranteeing immediate solutions. It's important to note that no matter whether you subscribe to Biesse's preventative measures or Masterwood's corrective strategies, the underlying truth remains the same. Careful and regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan and effectiveness of these advanced CNC machines. Whether you're a manufacturer in Asia or a supplier in Europe, our global audience can appreciate the necessity for proper equipment maintenance. As a user, it's crucial to understand your machine and its requirements. Always remember, a well-maintained machine equates to a well-performing one. Residual value. The residual value of a machine is fundamental for those considering future resale. Due to their robust build and exceptional performance over time, both Biesse and Masterwood machines hold their value well. However, Biesse's wide market acceptance and reputation might tip the residuals in their favor. Biesse, hailed for its technological advancements, delivers exceptional durability and precision. Their CNC lineup is noted for high performance and low maintenance. Over time, these machines have consistently displayed robust residual value given their reliable performance. In contrast, Masterwood is renowned for innovative design and user-friendly controls. Their CNC machines are recognized for versatility, often rendering them an appealing choice for diverse industrial applications. This versatility aids in maintaining the residual value of Masterwood CNC machines. When we compare both these machines, a few factors become evident. Over a 5-year span, Biesse machines tend to retain approximately 60% of their initial cost. Masterwood machines, while not far behind, typically maintain around 55%. It's important to remember though, residual value is not the sole indicator of a machine's worth. A CNC machine's value also lies in its ability to enhance your business efficiency, minimize downtime, and the support you receive from the manufacturer. Both Biesse and Masterwood offer comprehensive after-sales services, ensuring their customers get the most out of their machines. So, your choice should balance initial investment, residual value, and the performance characteristics that best support your business needs. Ultimately, the choice between Biesse and Masterwood depends on your specific needs and objectives. Glomacht is here to assist you in making the best decision based on fact-filled analysis and supportive guidance that reflects our core values. Visit www.glomacht.com for our current range of Biesse and Masterwood machines and let our employees inform you about a suitable solution and/or support with purchase or sale. Don't forget to subscribe and stay informed of all activities. See you next time.